So now we basically need different pens having different thickness. Here I am using a permanent marker, okay, and a pilot pen having 0.2 mm thickness, okay, a sketch pen and a pencil, a sketch pen, a protector and an eraser. Okay, now let's start with the drawing. First we will have to bisect the page and find the center point of the page. So what we will do, we will make a cross line using the ends of the diagonal ends of the page with using pencil. Okay, then we will intersect them, and the point at which they are both intersecting, that will be our center point. Okay, as you can see in the video, I have already painted the page so that it will give you the extra effect for the mandala art, but you can also do it on the plain paper. Okay, now we had already find a center point, as you can see in the video, and we will erase these cross lines. After this, we will make a plus using the center. Now we will make randomly 5 to 6 circles, so that of different sizes, so that we can draw in that circles. Okay, now mandala art is all about meditating using some of the drawing skills. Okay, now when we draw mandala means drawing in the circular shape, that's why we need to draw circles. Okay, it is very easy and it is very basic. Okay, you can use gel pen instead of pilot pen for the same thickness, and you can use sketch pens instead of markers also. Okay, now here I have drawn 6 circles of the random sizes without seeing the measurements. The only requirement is that these circles should fit in the page. Okay, you can see the circles. This mandala art is very easy to draw. Okay, and it looks very attractive once it is done. Okay, now we will do is we will make a plus sign using the center part. Okay, then what we will do is we'll take 2 points of each quarter, 2 end points of each quarter, and we'll measure the distance between them using a scale. Okay, and then we will mark it at the center of them. Okay, for example, this is 8.4 centimeter, we will mark it at 4.2 centimeter. Okay, and then we will make a line passing through that point, and this same process will be done in each quarter, in each 4 sides, so that our circle having 4 equal points will now be divided into 8 equal points. Now again we will do the same process, and we will divide these 8 equal parts into 16 equal parts. Okay, this will help you to become more precise in your designs when you draw a mandala art. You can also start your drawing by using 8 equal parts, but it is recommended to use as small parts as possible. You can even go to 32 equal parts. Using using the same process as we did to divide it in 8 equal parts, we will again repeat the process to divide the circle in 16 equal parts. And when it is completed, as you can see in the video, then we will take one part and we will design it and repeat in each and every equal part. Okay, we will use some basic designs. Okay, for example, here I have took small petals. Okay, and the remaining boundary of the circle is filled with the pen. Okay, now I will repeat it in every part. Okay, you can see that it is very easy. When you will draw this drawing, you will find yourself involved in it so much that you will forget about all the worries you were worried about right now, and you will just concentrate on doing this thing right and beautiful. Okay, draw any design you want to make it look beautiful. Okay, don't think too much, just draw it. Okay, just keep your heart open and draw anything you want to draw in this, any design. Okay, now I have overlapped the circle with another line, okay, to make it look more attractive. And now again I am drawing small leaves. Okay, so the leaves is done, and now we will again make a small dots above them. Okay, after 2 petals we will repeat the pattern. Okay, so now that is also done. Now we will go to the third round, that is the long petals. Okay, these petals looks very attractive in a mandala, and it is used very oftenly for mandala arts. Okay, now it is done. Now we will give the thickness to these shapes. Okay, first we will encircle it, we will give it a boundary. Okay, then we will thick the boundaries of the leaf petal. This is known as tapering. Okay, it gives a very beautiful look to your mandala art. The importance of mandala art is given when you use different thickness of lines. See, now I am using the Pilot pen for the detailing part. Okay, we can use gel pen also for the detailing part, and it will look very attractive when you will use different thickness of pens for different designs. Okay, it will give you a combination of thick and thin lines. Okay, see, this looks so beautiful now. Okay, now we will go ahead for the fourth part of our circle. Okay, we will give the boundary to the circle. We can fill it with every detail we want to add it. Okay, it will only make the mandala art beautiful and spiritual in some ways. Okay, mandala in old times was used to give the meditation to the people who were depressed or in stress. Okay, so that the repetitive patterns give the relief to our senses. Okay, now I have add one layer of triangles having one side filled with black sketch pen. Okay, then the fifth layer is of spirals. Okay, these designs give more effect to the mandala art. Okay, because it is also circular in shape. So now this layer is also done. We will now get to the last and the final layer of the circle, okay, and we will draw dome shaped triangles, okay, which is not usually a geometric triangle, okay. This gives a very beautiful effect to the mandala art. Also the ending of the mandala art is very important, okay. It should be good one, okay. It should not be felt like that it is incomplete, okay. It should be given the design so that it will give you the look of a complete mandala design, okay. Now I am giving the boundaries to these dome shaped triangles so that it will pop out of the screen, okay. See, there is a very good combination in the drawing, in the mandala art, between the thick lines and the thin lines, okay. It only enhances your art when you use the thick lines and thin lines. You should know where to use thin and where to use thick lines, okay. Now we will divide these dome shaped triangles into two parts, okay? In each part we will divide it into two parts, and then we will draw one side using the pilot pen, and we will draw straight lines, and the other part will be covered with the dotted lines, okay. See, these are the straight lines. I will repeat it, and then we will dot the other area, okay. Dot shows a really good effect in the drawing. As you can see, this picture, this mandala art is already looking so beautiful, okay. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay. When you will finish it, you will not even be able to see the mistakes in the drawing, okay. It will just look very beautiful and very satisfying. Now we will fill the detailing in the triangular part, okay. Guys, if you like this, please subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and please give a lots of love to this and share it as much as you can, because this is a basic skill and very easy to learn, okay.